Hi guys, before we dive in, I want to take a moment to say a few words about Sketch, the design software we'll be using in this course. If you've already used the design software in the past, chances are that it was one of Adobe's products, probably Photoshop. And you might be a bit surprised that we've chosen not to work with Photoshop. There is a very simple reason to that. Photoshop was not created for us. It was not designed for web and app design. I know some web and mobile app designers still use Photoshop in their work, and that's actually what I used to do. But following the lead of many great designers, I've switched to Sketch. Sketch is a great design app for Mac and Mac only, and that's the reason why you need a Mac for this course. It has been created specially for web and app design. It is purpose-built for user interface design, so every feature is crafted around those ideas. Some of them have actually saved me hours of work compared to how I used to work with Photoshop. Only about 20% of Photoshop features are actually useful for UI design. Everything else is not related to UI, so it can be quite frustrating to have to find your way through thousands of options and tools that are completely irrelevant. On the contrary, Sketch is very simple and very intuitive, yet very powerful and very efficient for UI design. Sketch is also entirely vector-based, and that makes our life much easier when we have to modify shapes and adapt element sizes. Exporting assets with Sketch is easier than with Photoshop, especially with mobile app design where we have to export assets for multiple resolutions. Photoshop sucks at doing that. Sketch is also way lighter than Photoshop in terms of hard drive space and memory footprint. If your computer is more than 2 years old, good luck for running Photoshop with more than 2 or 3 files opened. And it's also way cheaper. Sketch is $99 and that's it. For Photoshop CC you have to pay $25 a month. And it is so great that even Apple designers use it to design. That's kind of a good sign, right? I don't have any affiliation with Sketch, but congrats to them because they're a very dedicated team that's constantly listening to users' feedback and always improving a software that's already awesome. If you're still a bit skeptical, don't just take my word for it. Read the articles from great designers including guys from Google, Apple, Facebook who have switched to Sketch to have their opinions. You can find the links in the description. Now let's download and install Sketch. Go to sketchup.com. You can either buy it for $99 here or on the App Store, or you can start with a free trial. If so, click here and download it. Once it's downloaded, unzip the file, and now you can put it in your applications folder and open it. That's it for this lesson. In the next one, I'll explain how the course works and how to get the most out of it. See you soon.